Hey guys, what's up? I welcome you to this video. I received an interesting request about how to add 30 minutes to a JavaScript date object. I immediately decided to make this video, and this is how you do it. It's actually pretty easy. You simply just declare a date variable, set it to the current date, and now set the minutes of this date variable to the same date variable, get minutes, and add 30 minutes to it. This number gets generated. This represents a new date of exactly 30 minutes later. We declared the first variable at 17:54:08, and the result after adding 30 minutes was 18:24:08, exactly 30 minutes later. And that's how you do it. That's how you add 30 minutes to a JavaScript date object. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.